What is up, guys? We've been busy, so let's just cut to the chase, right? This is a wide body Honda Civic, and this is what we have been creating here at the community of Snots. As you can see, basically one side has been widened. I did this piece recently, which is basically like a lip piece. Got those angle brackets there, got that one there, got that one there, and we just put on a boot spoiler, right? The boot spoiler still needs a bit of work around the lip piece here, but I mean, this is straight, and that's what I was hoping to get. Then you can see it here from the back. That's how it's looking. It's basically, I wanted like a OEM kind of fit with a boot line. I think it's basically right, to be honest. Yeah, and that's basically what we have been doing. We also added that piece there just to replicate the other side's front piece, and then now when I'm doing this side, I know how much I need to come out. Did the same thing here, did that one there, but just like the other side, it sticks out, so I need a screw to actually hold it in place, right? So the next steps is obviously to replicate it for replicate that piece and that piece for that side there. I don't like that one that I did already, so I need to figure out a way to do this right. What I'm thinking is maybe fiberglassing like just this piece here, and then pulling it off, flipping it around, sticking it that side, and then maybe doing like that bottom piece there, like the main pieces that determine how far it comes out. So like for this one here, I'll do the bottom fin here, well, not the fin, the green fin, the piece at the bottom of this thing, right? Then maybe I do this piece here, then I can flip it. Yeah, I can flip it around and then just put it on that side there. Then I know exactly how much I'm coming out. These pieces do need to be remade, because you can see I use a shit ton of filler here, so I do need to remake them. Otherwise this car's just going to be heavy, and yeah, if the paint cracks on this, or this cracks, everything's gonna crack, right? So need to do that. Maybe if I actually add these vent pieces here, I could also use them as a guide. Yeah, I probably could do that too, right? Like if I had those vent pieces, then I just turn it around and flip it on the other side. I could technically maybe do, no, I wouldn't be able to do the whole thing though. Yeah, well, anyway, the same thing would be done, yeah. So that's basically our update. I don't want to waste your guys' time. You came here for a wide body Honda Civic, and that's basically what I'm giving you, right? I'm gonna take some few cinematic shots, and yeah, see you again.